A couple recently sent me a photo for their thank you cards, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna real quick remove the people from the background. So the first thing I did was highlight those guys on the left with the quick selection tool, and then I dropped down over to content aware fill. It's gonna open up this panel on the right. There's a few settings you can adjust, but I wanna output the new settings to the current layer. That left me with a little halo around these people. So I'm gonna use the healing brush over here to just gently go over real quick all of these little areas and correct the lines. Using that healing brush, I just did the Alt option and selected the source and then clicked around to kind of get all those edges off. And then I used the clone tool to just create a sharper line right here and correct the shadows along this little ridge. Now, on the right side of the picture, we still have people over here that need to be removed. So what I'm going to do is go back up to that quick selection tool, select the whole area, and this time I right-clicked and did a delete and content fill. So you'll see that here, delete and fill selection. Did okay, not the best, so I'm going to drag over this one more time after going through those options, and I'm going to do a content aware fill this time. So I clicked content aware fill now, and it did a much better job. You're gonna notice we're still missing some shadows, so again I used that clone tool here, and I just copied the shadow all the way across the ridge over in this area. Now I'm gonna flip over to InDesign where I was doing their thank you card, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert this new image. That whole process took me about 3 minutes, I think, and it's just such a pretty photo. I just didn't want the people to obscure it. So now here you can see the before and the after with and without the people. It's a little thing, but it is just such a huge improvement to their thank you cards.